Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your MG Windsor. First, always ensure your vehicle is in neutral or park for safety. Next, take a moment to check your fuel gauge and confirm your battery has sufficient charge. Finally, make sure all doors are properly closed and secured before proceeding. These initial checks are crucial for a smooth and safe start every time, ensuring optimal vehicle performance. Now, let's move to the ignition. Insert your key completely into the ignition barrel. Turn the key clockwise to the on position. You should see various warning lights illuminate on your dashboard. This is a normal system check. Allow a few seconds for these lights to cycle and for the vehicle's electronics to power up before attempting to crank the engine. With the system checks complete, it's time to crank the engine. Turn the key further clockwise to the start position. Hold it there for no more than 5 seconds. As soon as the engine fires up, immediately release the key. If the engine doesn't start on the first attempt, wait about 10 seconds before trying again to prevent battery drain. Once your MG Windsor has successfully started, perform a quick post-start check. Confirm that all dashboard warning lights have extinguished, indicating no immediate issues. Listen for a smooth engine idle and check that all essential systems, like lights and wipers, are working. You are now ready to drive your MG Windsor safely and confidently on your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.